You can't stop check for me, please. And me and Candy are the same place. Kind of pass for a college student. You get the food?
Are you not gonna do it?
Alright, hurry up and get the food and stop calling me. Alright.
Alright, miss.
Alright.
Butcher. Remember, say when Vicious start link with we, he start stay away and him never stay away when him there over there. Understand what I say though? You ever think about the fact say that why him want go country go do rare?
You know, so that rest made from what there, brother.
Brother, remember say back then when time we have a thing them. At 2 times, the man lift up the thing them can go cast them off down a valley, you know, me have to tell them to bring them back in. You remember?
You know, say I'm good have it in my mind long time for run this, so.
I wonder if a back way the youth they are pre to go for real butcher. Cause why you would really bring that to when you see part of the pan? I know we have to stay far from them things and want to go legal up something same way.
Yo, it is. The two youth them a drop over film block. How you say nothing to me about that?
So yeah, pre. Feel it might have something to do with it.
Yo, anything possible with him, you know. Cause you always want to do your own thing in a female trip.
You know him really a move away from a dear butcher. Cause from we turn him down and Miss Brissett can link with him. You know hear back from the man in a brother.
Can I tell you this, you know, it is. I say for the way that him a go right now, me a cut him off like a bad habit. I tell you the truth.
You know say butcher, really need to find out what go on over 13 still, you know. You have to go link whisper. I hear nothing about this, you know.
Yeah, man, I right think that them would have know that for sure. Next thing, we need to have Teflon there.
Yeah, man. A link whisper here what go on. Here.
Yo, it man. Yeah, me there, brother.
Yeah, my boss. You know I want to chat to you about a little thing we go and do.
Yeah.
Boy, I go live till them sun here, you know.
Yeah.
Forward. Right time in you.
Yeah, go on.
Man, you have surveillance for me. Oh, you know, say yes over there.
You know what I'm saying? I literally thought we get a lunch for tea still. I'm not there for one house.
And I tell you, it is. For you said Tony and where John there?
Brother, you're not that bad, man. I share a Joan over here, so. I food share watch.
I want to deal with the officer, so. Think on easy, but
So where there? You come support the business.
You know, say I want go, brother. Don't tell her that already.
what kind of option is there for you now?
Yeah, that's what I say, brother.
Christopher, remember how we are deal with the number. I'm like, if you got to me, I'm agent too.
Agent, it is.
Butcher, I do that. Code, agent, H. Now call out the whole of my name.
Go no easy, you know, brother. Now, really something, man, you know. So you don't think about?
And a serious matter, Miss Brissett doesn't reach out to Teflon, me not get him.
Come like the man black it is. Man, I call him and no response, brother.
So I'm sure say not change him number. The man is not gonna keep one number for long, you know.
Yeah, no, I never that read that still. But somebody a tell me say them see him van forward from him side, you know?
Who the preach so deep still, you know? Like how you feel like him there now. Just give him some time. Then you give him a link.
Differently. You know about an operation going over yesterday.
Yesterday. I couldn't tell you still. I remember and everybody me know, you know. But I still not hear nothing.
One youth drop over 13. They must say a feds them see running. But people that say it looks spooky because the uniform with them never look right.
Where them forward, patrol vehicle or private vehicle?
Man, them just come through a yard. Badness in a vehicle, brother.